Hello everyone. Today we will be learning the sound of I. The I sound of I. Id. Id. I. D. Id. And the I sound of I. Ib. I. B. Ib. Let's start with the I sound of I. Id. Id. I. D. Id. Now look and listen and say the word. Kid. Kid. Let's spell the word. K. I. D. Kid. Kid. Hid. Hid. Let's spell the word. H. I. D. Hid. Hid. Lid. Lid. Let's spell the word. L. I. D. Lid. Lid. These are the I sound of I. Id. Id. Let's say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Kid. Kid. Hid. Hid. Lid. Lid. Good. Now the I sound of I. Ib. I. B. Ib. Ib. Now look and listen and say the word. Bib. Bib. Let's spell the word. B. I. B. Bib. Bib. Nib. Nib. Let's spell the word. N. I. B. Nib. Nib. Rib. Rib. Let's spell the word. R. I. B. Rib. Rib. Great! These are the I sound of I. Ib. Ib. Now let's say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Bib. Bib. Nib. Nib. Rib. Rib. Good job, everyone!